If you want to trade with this broker, registration link in the video description area. You can see here very clearly weekly time frame price in moving average 5 area. H4 time frame price making awesome oscillator divergence setup. Nearest supply zone will be my take profit area. Now I am using Fibo with this bullish engulfing. Fibo also confirming our take profit areas, and also we can use this Fibo entry zones to take sell entries. Now time to wait and relax.
2,000 years later.
Market reacted to our setup nicely. Now I will hold only few positions with break even while others are closed. Even price hits my stop loss, still I am in profitable position. I'm making myself a promise that I will never drop my dreams.